northeastern Wisconsin.
Oh my God.
Northwestern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a dangerous snowstorm is located along a line extending from Brookfield to 7 miles north of Darien, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, poor visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles an hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstates 94 and 43. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Union Grove, East Troy, Williams Bay, Wind Lake, Rochester, Raymond, Wheatland, Yorkville, Genoa City, Walworth, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Powers Lake, Browns Lake, Como, Waterford North, and Pale Lake. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.
No shit. That was... Might go off again.